This audio is brought to you by B, the parenting app.
Separation anxiety measures. How to deal with my child's separation anxiety. Separation anxiety often develops after a significant stressful or traumatic event in the child's life, such as leaving child for school, a stay in the hospital, the death of a loved one or pet, or a change in environment, such as moving to another house or a change in school. Measures which can be taken to deal with this situation. Goodbyes should be quicker and loving. See them off with warmth and love. Kiss them bye. Provide a special blanket or toy as you leave. Keep the goodbye short and sweet. If you take longer time, the child gets anxious, so make it quick. Be consistent. Try to drop them at the same time each day to avoid unexpected factors whenever you can. Attention. While you are leaving your child, give your full attention. Be loving and provide affection. Then say goodbye quickly despite their cries for you to stay. Keep your promise. You will build trust and independence as your child becomes confident in his or her ability to be without you when you stick to your promise of return. Be specific, child style. When you discuss your return, provide specifics that your child understands. If you know you will be back by 3 p.m., tell it to your child on his or her terms. For example, say, I will be back after reading time and before afternoon snack time. Define time in a way he or she can understand. Practice being apart. Leave the children off to grandma's home, schedule play dates, and allow friends and family to provide childcare for you, even if it is for an hour on the weekend. Before starting childcare or preschool, practice going to school and your goodbye ritual. Give your child a chance to prepare, experience, and deal in your absence. Separation anxiety hardly persists after preschool years. In case of working parents, separation anxiety can occur to both parents as well as children. Above mentioned measures can be helpful in this case as well. For more insights, download Be the Parenting app. Thank you.